Honda Motorhome represents a thoughtful blend of reliability, efficiency, and smart design, reflecting Honda's long-standing philosophy of engineering products that are practical, durable, and user-friendly. Although Honda is best known worldwide for its cars, motorcycles, and power equipment, the idea of a Honda motorhome naturally builds on the brand's strengths in engine technology, compact packaging, and everyday usability. A Honda motorhome concept or conversion is typically imagined as a vehicle that focuses less on excess luxury and more on comfort, efficiency, and intelligent use of space, making it appealing to travelers who value reliability and ease of ownership over flashy design. At the heart of any Honda motorhome is the company's reputation for dependable powertrains. Honda engines are known for smooth performance, fuel efficiency, and long service life, qualities that are especially important for long-distance travel. Whether based on a compact van platform or a light commercial vehicle, a Honda motorhome would likely use a refined petrol or hybrid powertrain optimized for steady cruising and low running costs. Smooth acceleration, low vibration, and quiet operation would make long hours on the road less tiring, while Honda's engineering focus on efficiency would help reduce fuel expenses during extended trips. For travelers who enjoy exploring remote areas, dependable engine performance also means peace of mind, knowing the vehicle can handle varied driving conditions. One of the defining characteristics of a Honda motorhome is intelligent space utilization. Honda has always excelled at making the most of limited space, as seen in features like the magic seats in its cars and the clever layouts of its compact vehicles. This philosophy translates perfectly into a motorhome environment. Even within a relatively compact exterior size, the interior can feel open and functional. Seating areas are often designed to convert easily into sleeping spaces, with foldable or sliding components that allow the layout to change depending on the time of day. During daytime travel, the interior may feel like a comfortable lounge or dining area, while at night it transforms into a cozy sleeping space without complicated setup. Comfort inside a Honda motorhome is designed to support both short weekend getaways and longer journeys. Seating is typically ergonomically designed, offering good back support for extended driving. Materials used inside would focus on durability and easy maintenance, as motorhomes are exposed to frequent use and changing environments. Soft touch surfaces, practical storage compartments, and well-placed lighting help create a welcoming atmosphere. Honda's attention to detail would likely be visible in small but important elements such as smooth closing cabinets, secure latches to prevent rattling while driving, and thoughtfully placed power outlets for charging devices. Sleeping arrangements in a Honda motorhome are usually planned with flexibility in mind. Depending on the layout, the vehicle may accommodate 2 to 4 people comfortably. Beds can be fixed or convertible, often using high-quality cushions or mattresses that balance comfort with space-saving design. Ventilation is an important consideration, so windows, roof vents, or small fans help maintain airflow and prevent the interior from feeling stuffy. Proper insulation also plays a role, keeping the interior comfortable in both warm and cool weather, which is especially important for travelers visiting different regions. The kitchen area in a Honda motorhome is compact yet practical. It is designed to support simple meal preparation without taking up excessive space. A small cooking hob, a sink with a fresh water system, and storage for basic utensils are usually included. Some setups may also feature a compact refrigerator to keep food fresh during longer trips. The goal is not to replicate a full home kitchen but to provide enough functionality to prepare meals conveniently while on the road. Honda's design philosophy would emphasize safety and ease of use, ensuring appliances are securely installed and easy to operate even for first-time motorhome users. Storage is another area where a Honda motorhome would shine. Cleverly designed compartments make use of every available inch, including under-seat storage, overhead cabinets, and rear cargo areas. This allows travelers to carry clothing, food supplies, outdoor gear, and personal items without cluttering the living space. Proper weight distribution is also important, and Honda's engineering approach would aim to keep the vehicle balanced and stable even when fully loaded. This contributes to better handling and a more confident driving experience. Technology and safety features are an essential part of the Honda motorhome concept. Honda is well known for incorporating advanced safety systems into its vehicles, and these would likely be present in a motorhome as well. Features such as anti-lock braking systems, stability control, multiple airbags, and driver assistance technologies help enhance safety on long journeys. A modern infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and rear-view cameras would make driving and parking easier, especially in unfamiliar areas. These technologies not only improve safety but also reduce driver stress, making travel more enjoyable. Another important aspect of a Honda motorhome is fuel efficiency and environmental consideration. Honda has been actively developing hybrid and low-emission technologies, and these could play a role in future motorhome designs. A hybrid motorhome could offer improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, and quieter operation, especially in campsites or natural areas where noise and pollution are concerns. Even in traditional petrol-powered versions, Honda's efficient engines would help minimize environmental impact compared to larger, less efficient motorhomes. Driving a Honda motorhome would likely feel more car-like than truck-like, which is a major advantage for many users. Compact dimensions, responsive steering, and good visibility make it easier to maneuver in cities, narrow roads, and parking areas. This accessibility makes the motorhome suitable not only for experienced RV owners but also for beginners who may feel intimidated by larger vehicles. Honda's focus on ease of driving helps broaden the appeal of motorhome travel to a wider audience. Maintenance and ownership experience are also key strengths associated with Honda. The brand's global service network and reputation for reliability mean owners can expect fewer breakdowns and easier access to spare parts and servicing. This is particularly important for travelers who plan long journeys or cross-border trips. Lower maintenance costs and long-term durability make a Honda motorhome a practical investment rather than just a recreational luxury. In terms of lifestyle appeal, a Honda motorhome represents freedom, flexibility, and independence. It allows travelers to explore at their own pace, choose their own routes, and stay close to nature without sacrificing basic comforts. Whether used for family vacations, solo adventures, or weekend escapes, the motorhome supports a balanced travel experience that combines mobility with comfort. Honda's emphasis on practicality ensures that the vehicle remains easy to live with, even when used frequently. Overall, the concept of a Honda motorhome aligns perfectly with the brand's core values of reliability, efficiency, and smart design. By focusing on intelligent space usage, comfortable interiors, dependable performance, and advanced safety, a Honda motorhome offers a well-rounded solution for modern travelers. It may not be about extreme luxury or oversized living spaces, but rather about thoughtful engineering that makes travel simpler, safer, and more enjoyable. For those who value trust in their vehicle and appreciate clever, user-focused design, a Honda motorhome stands as an ideal companion for life on the road.